Ma-join na ta dire. There. Na ta dire. Come on, join. Oh no. Where am I? Come on. You have to click that. What am I doing? Oh, I'm lost. Chop the wood. Oh, is it? Okay, I cannot see myself. To put the pouch. Hindi mawala. It'll drug the saplings. Get ready your axe all the time. You got time. Pirates. Quick. Ayan guys, bilisan natin para tayo ng 99 nights. Saan na siya? Please. You have to eat the carrot. Ay, hala. You don't need to store the carrots. You have to eat it. Please. You have to drop. Where am I? Quick. Bilis. Ayan o. I need to find a good axe. Oops. Drag and drop. You have to bring the saplings with you. Right, let's have to find. I'm going to get a rod. Sticking rod. Radio. All metal scrap you have to take it with you. I'm drowning, my lord. You have to take it with you, the metal scrap, because you can make it. You have to upgrade your, and you have to hold your rod when you upgrade. There you go. You can get fish later. Dog. To get rid of your pouch every time, because you can put on. What's that red? It's a red dog. It's wild dog, that one. Careful, the wild dog. I have to put it in the scrap. Day 1 pa lang ha. Gutom na. We'll see how many days we survive in the forest. Oh, the heck? Oh, I'm not this. Oh, no, I need this. Kasi when the tradesman, and you need a bunny pot. For the good axe and a good. You can trade as the trader. And you can. Ay. Oh my God. Para akong lasing. Ano na? The hunter. The one is here. Quick, quick, quick. Good socks na. Good pouch. Good socks. Good. You can eat the carrots. Eat carrots with you. Quick, quick, quick. Need a good ox. Fine, hopet. Ano yun? Ano sabi niya? Bilis. I have to find. You have to plant these saplings, then it grow again. I need to eat. Oh my God, I'm hungry. You have to eat at the same time. Work, eat. You have to eat these carrots. You have to eat while running, guys. Otherwise, you're dead as well. Oh, there's so many wood. Oh my Lord. I'm daming wood. Ayan, guys. Bilis. Bilisan natin ang ating pagtatakba. Oh, charcoal. It's a koan, that one, fire. Oh, I can spot a koan. I can spot a cheese. We'll see what's the inside. And quick. Kasi you have to be careful. The dog is. Yan, take it with you because you need it when it's dark. I need to eat. Eat. You have to eat it, guys. This cherry. Berries pala ito. Berries. You have to eat berries. Meron dito. Oh, there's another one. There's another chase. Oh, wow. Quick. Kasi ang aso. I got a spear. Take it, guys. Take it with you, all the weapons. Oh my God. Quick. May nagkasunod sa akin. Asungot. Please. Oh my God. Ang layo ko pa. Nasa ika-7 bundok. Nakatira. Ay, papatayin tayo niyan. Oh, I need to eat. Laka, may ungo. So you have to plant the sapling. Mamaya may atake na naman. I'm hungry. Kailangan nating kumain. Somebody drop a flashlight, lalo. The heck? Ayun po. Somebody drop a flashlight. You have to put that in. Don't eat. I need to get a fishing rod and I can fishing. I got a rod I'll go fishing then kasi umaga na. Let's see if I can fish here. Going na ay aso. Patayin na yan. Aso na yan. Sige. Dito tayo. Oh, may aso. Kasi asungot. Hindi na makapishing dyan. Ayan, okay. Da. You have to fight the dog. Papatayin natin itong mga aso. Patayin natin ito. You have to kill and then eat. Fishing ta. Fishing. Ay, hala ka nga naman eh. Ay, hala ka nga naman ka. Press the water. Ayan, para makakuha ka ng isda. Agoy, I'm hungry now. Quick. Oh my God, where is the house? Oh my God, somebody died. Oh, our water. Oh no. Eat. I'm starving. Ba't namatayan siya? Iwan ko. Mabilis na makapatay para itong spare kaysa axe. Bilis na. Ito pa spare ang gamitin. Nadagdag. Oh my God. I'm eating the raw meat. May aso yata dito. Somebody's pick it up already. Oh, I found a cheese. Fuel. Found a fuel. Somebody's. Somebody's. Quick. Bilis. Ay, what happened? Ayan, guys. Good stuff. I need somebody's. Paakan tag-iro. Marabis yan. Mamingwit ng tadara. Goy, sa maibel kami. Agoy, hindi nakakakuha na basta skin. Pag manipis yung green, Mahirap makakuha ng isda. Ano to? Oh, puka. Nalaglag ang aking fish. Oh my God. Some eagle coming. Oh my God. I have to cook the meat. I have to eat before they arrive. Doon tayo sa malayo. Manguha ng isda. Ay, ano. Hi, D4 pa lang. D4 pa lang. Bilisan natin. Taray ko. Ay, kain muna tayo ng carrots. Ano? You have to eat carrots. Carrots. Kailangan yung fire natin palaging mag-on. I have to find some. It. Pick. That's it. Okay. Mabuti pa itong spare kasi mamatay agad yung ano. Okay, bilisan natin. Para mabilis guys, you have to click stop print. Ayan, para mabilis. So you can run quickly. You have to eat. Asa naman? Asa yung bahay, mga bahay, kabahayan. Uy, there's so many dogs. Agoy. Atakihin tayo na, mamatay tayo dyan. Ay, mayroon parang tower dyan. Oh my God, there's so many dogs. Oh my God. Ay. May atake na naman. May darating na. Uy, somebody's coming. Uy, I need a wood. D4. Maganda yung bear trap. Somebody attacking me. Maganda tong spear ko. Paano ba yan? What the hell? I need a bunny pot. How to pick it up? I cannot do that. I'm looking a bunny. I need to give this bunny photo to the trader. Where is the trader? Oh no, I'm lost. Oh no, where is the pelt trader? Quick, quick, quick. I need a good axe. Oh, come on. Give me that one. Why you don't give me? You're so tight, trader. You should not be there. Oh, I need a one. That fire will be dead soon. Oh, come on. Good, D5. I'm hungry now. I need to eat. Okay, my hand, my finger is numb. To eat. Eat. Okay, I need this bunny food. How to ayan guys, bunny food. If you want to crafting some bunny food, bear trap, 3 screw pala. To kill this. Ay! What happened? Bakit ayaw I think you need to treat this bunny trap with the for us. I need a good axe. D5 now, oh my lord. Oh my. D5. Another day, another attack. Another day, another attack. That's what they're doing. Have to survive. You have to be quick. Quick. You have to plant that there. Uy, magabiin na naman. Mga patag pagkaon. Asa naman eh. Uy, wala tayo boots. Kailangan kang pumunta dyan. May boots. Malaglag ang kuan. Bolts. Kuy. May aso. Daming aso. Kasunod. Ay, daming kahoy. Mga hoy. Ayan. Have to be quick. Eat. Yan, kain. Uy, ano to? Uy, gabi na naman, matakatakot. Anong meron dito? Nilagay niya. Andyan pala yung nilagay ang food. Bugo. Uy, nang gabi na. Uy, nangay. Ito na mag-ulos. Aray! Iba man ang aking na chop. Paano yan? Kailangan mapa. Ano ba yun? Mapa. Ay, J7 pa lang. Ba't walang sapling yung kahoy na yan? J7 survival pa lang ako. Ay, aray ko. Nawala na yung mga kasama ko. Nawala. Aywan ko bakit. Niniwan nila ko. Ayan guys. Kailangan tap. Ayan. Iniwan ako ng mga kasama ko. Bakit ganon kayo? Oh my Lord. Oh, yes. Tanim natin yan dyan. Kapag may itinanim, may aanihin. Ganon. Ayan. Lumalaki ng aking... Ay! Matatrap ako. Ayan. Dapat ilagay ang bear trap doon sa may entrance. Gawa ka ng pinto ba? Doon mo yan. Kailangan siyang i-open para ma-trap yung kaaway pag dumating. Okay, manguha naman tayo ng Pag dumating siguro yung trader mo, yung makipag-trade ka doon, magbili ka ng sapatos. Pupunta tayo dito sa taas. Gagabi na naman, gagabihin na tayo. Maiksi lang yung araw dito. Ay! Haba ng taas, aray. Ay, may cheese dito. Baka merong dito. Good ox. Ay, good seeds mo to. Ay, may ammunition. Ah, my God! Aray ko. Ay, tinanyan ko ako. Pinapatay niya ako. Bilis. Ah, you're safe. Da. Wala na yung flashlight na po na. Abat. Abat ko ba? Napay abat dere. Nakaon tagi gutom. Di abat. They're leaving me. I'm alone. Day 7 na. Oh, I'm alone. Oh my God. Day 7 already. I'm alone. Alone. Buti na lang may ginawan ko nila ng bear trap. How to do bear trap? Bear trap. Bear trap. 3 screw times. Kailangan ka nang magkuhan ng screw. Okay, some bear trap. I make another bear trap. Damihan ko ng bear trap. Ay, naulan. Please yan. Kasi nababasa siya. I'm going for bear trap. Meron dyan. I'm going a school. I'm looking a school. Oh God, there's a mini koan. Oh God. Oh God. May mga Oh, fucking hell. Katakot yung mga yan. Oh, bilis. Oh, God. Bandage. Take it with you. Trap, boga. Paano ginawa nila yung trap na yan? Oh my God, there's a dog. Oh, bubat. Oh my Lord. Give me heart attack. Oh my Lord, help me, Lord. Oh my Lord. Give me heart attack. I need a bear trap. Take ammunition. Let's see if we can make a bear trap again. I think I have a bear trap. Where is it? Sold out. Ay, sold out na po. Ano mayroon dito? shield, maybe. Call on being attacked. Oh, diha lang na kay para trap na nato. Ayan na to. Can be placed anywhere on map. Ah, there. Atang, I'm done. Oh, nobody rescued me. 8 days survive.